Hey guys! Welcome to our channel, Product Reviews. A place where you get information about trending products and concepts in the world with purchase links. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Be the first to type, "I am subscribed," in the comment box below. Without much wasting your time, let's get started. Will 5G replace Wi-Fi? The experts are divided on this matter. Some claim that 5 grams will replace Wi-Fi. The reasoning behind this claim is that, since 5G will deploy small cell networks, their access will be ubiquitous. You'll be able to get mobile coverage in the street as well as in your home. Additionally, 5 gram spec defines a version called 5G NRU, which means that 5G can be deployed in an unlicensed spectrum. Meaning you don't actually need to pay heavy costs associated with spectrum auctions to actually deploy a 5G network. Looking at some of the trends, this might indeed be the case. I have noticed on quite a few occasions that some people have chosen to take only 4G data plan for their entire internet requirement. No Wi-Fi. No broadband. On the other hand, there are experts who claim that Wi-Fi still has the highest usage in the residential market, and here it is on the rise. The main argument is that Wi-Fi as a standard supports wide range of devices. 802.11 acres supports nearly all modern smartphones, tablets, laptops. A 5 grams only network would render them useless. It is also cheaper and quicker to install a Wi-Fi hotspot than it is to construct a 5G small cell. A point that most pro-5G arguments miss is that the 5 gram small cell still requires a lot of energy to work effectively. From where is this energy going to be supplied? Is all this energy going to be taken from the grid? Is it going to be diesel-powered like in the large cell phone towers before? If so, what is going to be the impact on the environment? Wi-Fi has a role to play in future of internet access. For one, data plans are too expensive for anything but light browsing. In India, where data is among the cheapest in the world, it's still more expensive than broadband. Wi-Fi is an open standard, which means anyone can use it to deploy a working network. Besides providing internet access, it can also be used to run other local network services like apps, multiplayer games, ERP and CRM services. Wi-Fi is a critical component of smart city computing, which would provide digitized access to most of the services inside a city. Can we do that with 5G? Sure, but at what cost? While speed is not really that big of a concern anymore, since we are already getting high-speed data in both Wi-Fi and 4 grams internet. At this point, it is more important to have better network access. Still, as fast as 5G is, it is a little slower than current 802.11ax wireless standard. And it's nowhere near the upcoming small range 5G. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.